Jackie here, back with another video. We're so excited that you're going to be joining us today, making some really cute name signs that we are now going to be featuring these on our website. I'm going to be dropping the link below. These are going to be under our kids category, and I'm so excited to show you the behind the scenes on how we actually make these really cute signs. So let's get started. So to get started, I go to the computer to get on our Lightburn software, and then I start to design whatever it is that the client is wanting as far as the name. So basically we can do pretty much any font. We are going to have a list of fonts on our website under the kids category section for whenever you're wanting your name sign, and it doesn't have to be the biggest size. We have different sizes available to purchase. So after I'm done on the computer, I save my file and I go over to our CO2 laser and I put the file into the computer and I just start uploading it. I get the machine warmed up and the computer is linked to the actual CO2 laser. So all I have to do is just upload the file that I saved. And I did have some other cuts too that I was going to cut out. And if you're new to our channel, welcome. We do a lot of really cool stuff from home interior designing to DIY furniture flips to pretty much anything in between. But in this video, we were going to be doing a big, huge name sign, one of our biggest that we do. And I was just trying to take you along the process on how we do it. So I jump onto my panel saw to get all my boards cut first. It does take me a minute to get everything cut and squared just to what I need. This panel saw is really cool because it does have the links and the measurements right at the bottom. So all I have to do is just set the wood where it needs to be and then just chop. I can also turn my saw to a horizontal way so that way it can cut horizontally instead of vertically. After I'm done cutting on the panel saw, I take my boards and put the first piece that I'm going to be doing, the first layer, which is the 5mm birch, which is about 1/4 of an inch thick. Once I get my file and I put it to the machine, I'm able to frame out where exactly it's going to fit, which is really nice. Sometimes the boards can lift, and there's an alternative where you can actually get some clips, which are these right here, and those will actually get placed on the honeycomb mat, the honeycomb metal mat, and then I can put those inserted onto the edges to where it keeps the boards down, which is really nice. Once the machine starts, I am actually able to see how it's cutting, and it looks pretty good. So we're going to speed things up so you can kind of get an idea of the cuts and how it kind of does its own thing. So let's go. And here it is, the cut is done. I'm actually able to take out the negative part and then just keep all the positive cuts that I did, and then I'm on to the next one. So I put on my apron specifically because I'm going to be painting while this next sign is being cut out. Kind of just helps with time and everything. Once I have framed it out to where the size is going to be, I can adjust the board where it needs to go, and then I can start onto my next project. So this one is going to be done in a different font. And again, you can choose any font that you want, and this is kind of the process for the behind the scenes on how we are actually making these name signs. We can do lots of other different signs too. It doesn't have to be a name sign. We can do a custom family sign, or anything in between like that, and I'll show you later on the video of other stuff that we can cut. Once I am done cutting out the thin 5mm boards, I go ahead and I put the 1/2 inch in place. I like to do my thin ones first just because I zero the machine out and it automatically self-adjusts to the level that it needs to be for the thickness of the board I am using, which is nice. So once I'm done cutting out the thin 5mm board, I'm on to painting while this is being cut out. All right, so while I have the rest of the pieces cutting on the CO2 laser, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in real quick just to show you what else we do in the shop. We did just put these on our website. So they're these really cute spring eggs. They're tags, perfect for your Easter basket or any kind of basket. So we can engrave them on our website, or we also have some other ones too that you can check out. We'll make sure to put the link below. Another thing too are some really cute door signs. Very cute. And then we also have a metal CNC. So because it is baseball season, springtime, we want to give out some we want to make sure we put some really cute stuff out that is pertaining to the spring. So it's a metal cutout. We do volleyballs, softballs, baseballs, cheer, you name it. And then of course these are magnetic for pictures. So really cute gift ideas. Here is a cute cutout for a cheer sign. We could put a name on it, a school name, put a stick. I mean, the sky's really the limit. You could do a lot with these. They're really cute. And then of course, hello sweet cheeks. So these are all very cute things that we can do on the CO2 laser. So if you'd be interested in any of these products, make sure to email us. If you haven't seen them on the website just yet, and if you do want something custom, then you can always reach out. All right, and now it's on to my favorite part, the painting and staining part. Now, in between two different cuts while the machine is cutting, I do like to paint while, you know, one of the signs is cutting, just because it saves on time. So I went ahead and I used rustic beige stain from Minwax for the name. This is for my niece for her room, and she is the cutest thing ever. Her name is Emma Jane, and whenever we are doing things in between, I like to make sure that I know the color, which is something that you can choose from whenever you're placing your order. You can choose from pretty much any color, and if it's not something that you see on there and you want something specific, just send it our way and I'm sure we can get it. Or if we don't, we already have it. We not only do name signs, we do a lot of other painting signs, we do cabinets, we do a lot of other really cool stuff for the home. Anything for your home, you name it, we do it. So if you're wanting something specific, you can definitely let us know us on the color of something that you're wanting. In this case, I decided to go with a blush pink. This blush pink is so pretty. I thought it was perfect for Emma Jane's room. I had asked my sister what the color was, and she kind of told me what she had in her room. So I thought automatically, okay, let's do a blush pink. I think that's pretty. It's kind of universal for any girl. And then also let's do a soft stain for the word font so that way it pops. So yeah. Once I had everything in position, I like to get a board, especially if it's a letter that it could be really thin. I like to get a board, one of our pre-finished boards that we use for our cabinets. And this is a scrap piece of board that I put the glue on. I like to spread it out so that way all I have to do is just dip the letter in the glue, and it gives it a good coverage on the back side, rather than just getting the glue and just putting a thin line. Is something else you can do. The glue dries really fast. I say you can hold the glue on for 10 seconds and it's pretty spot on, hard and fast gluing, and it dries really well. This is a medium Titebond glue that I get on Amazon. And I could definitely post a link, but it works so well, and it holds everything so fast. So it looks really, really cute whenever we're done. After I was done with Imogene's sign, I went ahead and I did the Knox's sign for his nursery, and so they wanted a green to match the baby room, so I went ahead and found this really pretty green, and it looks really, really nice. I like using a roller just because it gives a good amount of coverage, and it dries pretty fast, especially if you have the fan on in an area. Now, if you're wanting these signs to DIY yourself, it's definitely an option. We can make sure to have and allocate that if you're wanting to DIY it yourself, just because you know the colors in your room firsthand, and sometimes we may not have that color. It's something that you can definitely do on your own. We can just include the letters with the background, and you can paint them however you'd like. If you're wanting the board not to be so thick on the backside of a half inch, then we can just go ahead and do a 5mm on top of another 5mm. And that way it's more lightweight. So that's also another option that we can put on our website. And here they are, voila! This was such a fun project. I absolutely love making these, especially for friends, family. They're really cute gifts, and they're perfect for the kids' room. These are going to be our most popular sizes, 42 inches, and you get D-hooks on the back side to help hold them. Again, the back is supported with a 1/2 inch ply, and the fronts are the 5mm 1/4 inch birch. They come stained, painted, unfinished, and raw if that's something you want to DIY yourself for your nursery. Again, we have these listed on our comment area below. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again for watching.